Hi, it's Nigel from Fine&Country in Stratford-upon-Avon with a property market update for the end of the year, latest information on house prices and all things property related. Annual rate of house price inflation at 10.2% in October, so 10.2% higher than this time a year ago. Staggering, really. Average cost of UK homes now 268,000. That's up 24,000 than the average in October last year. Wales actually saw the steepest increase in property values, up 15.5%. London, the slowest growth at 6.2%. So inflation there certainly has been, and we're seeing it in the economy as well. Figures published today, in fact, by the ONS show that the annual rate of inflation as measured by the Consumer Prices Index has risen to 5.1%. That is more than double, the Bank of England's target of 2%, of course, and marks the highest level in the last decade. It'll be interesting to see what the Bank of England do tomorrow. They're meeting tomorrow. This time a month ago, they voted 7 to 2 to keep base rate at 0.1%. We'll see what happens. Tomorrow. A lot of the lenders have already actually priced in a potential rise in their deals, and the Bank of England have indicated already that by the end of next year, base rate could be 1%. We'll have to see what happens. They're also mulling over removing the mortgage affordability test. The Bank of England are, and that's something that was introduced after the financial crisis in 2008 to keep a check on home loans and affordability, typically to no more than 4.5 times a potential customer's income or joint income if they were borrowing together. It also meant they had to show that they could still afford their mortgage repayments if interest rates rose by 3 percentage points. Anyway, they've indicated they're going to review that at the beginning of next year. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with that as well. So a few things coming out of the Bank of England that could well affect the property market. Locally in Warwickshire, just a quick recap of where we are in Warwickshire. Still in a pretty strong seller's market. I looked at 𝗟𝗰𝗹 and it's a similar stats from local postcodes to that 37 and so on. But in 𝗟𝗰𝗹, properties over 500,000 in value, so the upper end of the market. 89 properties on the market today, only 32 of those for sale. The other 57 under offer. So that is a pretty strong seller's market still. Thanks for listening. Love to chat. If you've got any questions, thoughts, queries on the property market or anything related, do get in touch with me. Have a great Christmas and see you next year. Cheers.